We'll guide you through how to create a new Flutter project in VS Code. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
First of all, just go ahead and open up Visual Studio Code on your computer. And once the VS Code opens, go to the top menu and go ahead and click on View. Here, just click on Command Palette. Or you can just go ahead and press Ctrl Shift and P key on your keyboard to open the command palette. Now, in the search bar, just go ahead and search for Flutter New Project. Just click on Flutter New Project. And after that, VS Code will ask you what type of Flutter project that you want to create. Just go ahead and select Application. And now select the folder where you want to save your Flutter project. So let's say I want to save it inside VS Code and click on select a folder. And here now, just go ahead and enter your project name. So I was going to leave it at Flutter Application 1 and hit enter. And now sometimes VS Code may show a pop-up asking if you trust the author of the files in the folder. Just click on yes. Now VS Code will automatically create the new Flutter project. And once the process finishes, you will see Flutter project inside the VS Code with folders like library, Android, iOS, etc. This means Flutter project was created successfully. And that's it. That's how you create a Flutter project in Visual Studio Code. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.